Hi friends, so this is day 3 and we already did a full facelifting case with regenerative fillers today in the morning, and now we are doing another case for fillers. Let's go and have a look what's happening in the chair. So I'll show you what's going on. What are we doing?
So we are doing.
Kshitija, you're doing cheeks?
Yes, sir.
High cheeks?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we are making the zygomatic arch more prominent. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
With cannula and giving contouring. And we have already done chin. And we have to do lips and under eye after this. Yes? So you let me know when you finish. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Call me when it's done. So once again, this video is to let you people know, people who want to learn or get trained, doctors, not people, doctors. These procedures are meant to be done by doctors. These are prescription drugs. Fillers and Botox are prescription drugs, so, and just wanted to make you understand what is the meaning of hands-on. A lot of people are confused. They keep on writing the same message, or will the workshop be hands-on? What more hands-on can you get that on third day all the doctors are so confident that they're working by themselves on the patient? Okay, and I'm outside talking to you as we speak. Work is going on, and after this high cheek lifting, chin we've already done. We'll be doing tear trough and lips for her. So I'll try to come live once again when we're doing lips or tear trough, so that you can have an idea. And very soon, Naveen has a question: can BDS alone perform fillers? BDS alone means what? You need to call someone with you, or BDS alone for you is just BDS, which I don't like. I don't like people calling them just BDS or alone BDS. There is nothing alone. You have a qualification. You have a responsibility. That's another story, that you are underconfident because you've not worked well in internship or in your college. Then you call yourself BDS alone or just BDS. But BDS is BDS. You can perform all the procedures. There is no problem at all. So I have one more question from Diagram Expressions. How do you see your industry in future? I don't see industry in future. I just follow my passion. My passion is to do a good job, and I just follow my passion. All these decisions that I have made to learn whatever I do have been out of passion, have been out of curiosity. There have been no calculations involved, how much money I'm spending, how much money I learn. It's not about money, it's about pursuing your passion. If I follow my passion and I'm working hard for it, I'm learning it properly, doing it well, I see a good future, always, and I am positive about whatever I work with, If I have no passion for something, I will never be good at it. I will never be able to work hard for it. So for me, everything is passion, working, learning, upgrading, teaching, getting good results, working in the best possible way for the patient, using right techniques, good techniques. All right, guys, I'll try to come back live again when we do lips and or tear trough. Have a very good evening, all of you.